Wavytalk sent us an ionic thermal brush, which is like a blowout at home. So here is the brush itself in the color white. As you can see, it does have the bristles. There are the buttons here that you can control it before we plug it in. I just want to show you that the cord does come with a Velcro wrap, which is nice to keep the cord all organized. I can't tell you how many times I just wrap the cord around the unit and throw it in, and it becomes a rat's nest with all the different devices that I have underneath my sink. So it does have a button. It does have a light that will come on here to let you know when it's plugged in. I am going to go ahead and plug it in for you guys now, so you can see from start to finish. Let's go ahead, and here it is. It just plugged it in. This is the power button. Go ahead and turn it on. As you can see, it is heating up at the moment, right in front of your eyes. Here is the setting, so you can set it to your desired temperature. It has 330, 360, 390, 420. Here's the button that lets you know it's on. I am going to wash my hair and give it a shot. I am not an experienced hairstylist. And I actually find doing my hair to be a tedious task that I don't find exhilarating, but I do need to do it from time to time. So if you're like me and you're not a fan of doing your hair, watch this video and let's see how easy it is for people like us. Alright, so I'm not a hairstylist, and I hate using curling irons, to be honest with you. I use a wand, and this has given me like a slight curl, and it gives me a little bit of bounce that I've noticed. It's almost like a wave. I can't see the back, so I'm not sure how nice it looks or how good it looks, but it's not terrible. I just don't know. I think I've perfected the other way better with the curling wand, and I think it gives me just a little bit more volume. So this works good. It gets heated up really quickly, and it gives you a nice little wave and some bounce and some volume. So for that, I would say that it works. So we would highly recommend Wavytalk.